Yeah.
What he saw was a ground ball to second base. He feels like somebody's supposed to be right there. And it messes with some pitchers. I played with some guys who would rather not have the shift at all and just take their medicine if they gave up a legit hit in their eyes. But they couldn't stand that one time that you hit the ball right at where somebody should be and it gives up a base hit, especially late in the game.
And someone in the front office or coaching staff has to put together a highlight reel of all the times that it helps and say, look, watch this. Kyle Tucker has been on base in 5 of his last 6 at-bats. He is smoking hot right now.
Back to Correa for just a second. 3 of his hits over 100. And that one right there was 99 point and some change.
Right, the first 3 times up, you're saying, was
99
100.
earlier in the game.
Oh, 99.
I mean, let's give him 4 balls at 100 miles an hour.
2 of them were outs. 2 of them were singles. Two strikes on Kyle Tucker. Since coming off the COVID IL, 13 games up until today, and then the numbers look even more video game-ish because he's 2 for 2, double, triple, walk. And in the last 2 weeks, this is the guy you want up if you're Houston.
A lot of situations when you come off the IL and you put up numbers like that, it's almost like a huge trade acquisition late in the season.
Big time. Him and Bregman coming back around the same time, but look at him gone fishing.
I mean, yeah, that slider right there is just nasty. I mean, he sees that ball out of his hand as that same sinker, and he attacks it like it is a sinker. But then it got to guess.